Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the satellite name and the provider's azimuth and elevation numbers because those guide every move. Mount the dish firmly and level the mast so your elevation setting is accurate. Loosen the clamp just enough to adjust. Use a compass and a phone inclinometer to set the elevation and roughly point the dish toward the azimuth. Mark that heading on the mast. Once done, tighten the mount slightly so the dish holds position but can still be nudged for fine-tuning. Now you perform the detailed search using the receiver's signal display or the TV's diagnostic readout because a meter isn't available. From your marked azimuth, nudge the dish left and right in small steps, about 0. 5 degrees to 2 degrees, then adjust elevation slightly after each move. This alternating method isolates the best path. Watch signal bars or bit error indicators on the receiver and listen for changes. If the bars rise, hold that position and make smaller adjustments. Finish by locking the dish position carefully. Tighten the mount bolts incrementally while watching the signal display to ensure nothing drifts. Then refine the LNB skew by rotating it a few degrees. This can recover lost quality because polarization matters. If you still lack signal, inspect coax connectors, power to the receiver, and account for local magnetic declination, resetting your compass reading if needed. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the signal falls when bolts tighten, back off and recenter, then red-itin in stages to prevent misalignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.